Hey guys, Gary with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today we're going to be going over the in emergency push to open decal sticker here. So it is a double-sided sticker. There's an adhesive back, but there is a different text on the back. And let me sort of see if you can see it a little bit. See that? It says automatic door dash stand clear, and then an emergency push to open. So where you're going to typically put these is on the moving panel of an automatic sliding door. And I'll give you some measurements here because I'm sure you guys are wondering. What we're looking at is approximately 16 and 3/4 of an inch in length. And then the height is about 1 3/4 inches. So that's the dimensions for this sticker here. These ones are commonly found on besom doors. Just sort of depending on the door manufacturer you have, they typically have slightly different looking stickers. But yeah, let's say you did have a different brand of door that wasn't a besom, you could obviously still use this decal. But if you did want to match and you had a buy part, you probably want to replace all of them. But this is a decal here, and they're in stock at autodoorandhardware.com. If you are looking to source other decals, depending on your door brand, we carry all of them. So just give us a call, send us pictures, or send us an email. We'd be more than happy to help you guys. All right, thanks.